What's up, guys? Welcome back to Maple Motors. Check us out at maplemotors.com. We got financing and shipping available. As you can see, there's a shipping truck up here right now. We just updated our website with a few new cars, so definitely check that out. You can go to inventory and see close to 100 detailed pictures of every car. Today we're getting ready to do a walk around on this pretty little purple truck here. It's a 1952 3100 with a 350 under the hood. Looks like it's got power steering, aluminum radiator, electric fans. What we like to do in these kind of videos, walk around, point out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. I'm gonna be looking for chips, scratch, bondo, rust, anything that you would want to know about. I'll try to cover. If you're new to the page, hit subscribe. We also do test drives. Right after this video, I'll be doing a test drive. We're gonna start up here in the front. And guys, if you like the music, top right-hand corner, I produce all of it. So go check that page out as well. We're gonna start up here in the front. Front bumper's looking like it's in great condition along with that grill. I love the grills on the front of these trucks. They always look like they're smiling. There is some scratches and some chips in the paint. See them little chips popping up in the front end there. Very light scratches on top of the fender, probably where people always laid stuff when they were working on them. Some cracks in the paint there. Small dent. I don't know if you can see it reflecting right here. Very small. Yeah, decent tires on this one. Got some chips in your running board. The water spots. Chips everywhere. Paint trying to come off on the running boards there. You got a dent in your back fender here. It's like a crease. Couple little scuffs, light scratches. Most of these little scratches come out with a buff. With the cracking in the paint up front, might end up having to go with a different color on this one. Looks like the clear's coming off on the bed. Dual exhaust out the back. Some little spots popping up there, tailgate. I'm going to give you some undercarriage shots here towards the end of the video. Some chips back here. Little cracks in the paint. Spot on top of your rear fender here. Small dent right here. Got some chips on the edge of the door. There's some rust bubbles popping up right there below the trim on your window. The screws are rusting out on your mirror. Some scratches. Just zooming in on most of this stuff, you can see it. I don't have to say anything. Lots of chips and scratches on this one. Minimal rust from what I see. Basically, the only rust that I've seen on it so far is right here around this window. Those bubbles popping up there. Checking the edges of the hood. It looks nice and solid on the underside. Let's go ahead and check the interior out on this one. Door panel looks pretty good. Weather stripping looks nice and new around it. Little spot there in the bottom. This side looks good. Not bad for a 52 model. It's an old bench seat in here. Headliner's in great shape, except for that corner over there. No, it's on both sides that way. We're gonna go ahead and start this one up, and then we're gonna try the horn. Place your bets you think the horn works. A little game we like to play up here. Starts up nice and easy. Got your aftermarket gauges. Temp's still low on this one. We haven't had time to let it warm up. I just pulled it next door. Your battery gauge. It's working and coming up there. Oil pressure's up as well. Gas gauge, it's looking like it should be working, but we'll have to test that out on the test drive. Go ahead and place your bets if you think the horn works. Windshield wipers work, horn. Doesn't look like we got one on this. Let's look around, make sure. Blower motor's kicking on. I know it had an electric fan. Let's see if that's the electric fan. Let's see if that kicks it on and off. It does. That little switch under the dash does kick that on and off. Motor seems nice and quiet on this one. Almost hear a little bit of an exhaust leak coming from this side. Hood comes down nice and easy. And she shuts good. Up here in the front, it's got some cracking going on. All right, we're gonna look up under the front, both sides and the rear, and we'll conclude this video. We'll be taking off doing a test drive shortly after this video. I do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely check out the detailed pictures on my website. If you go to maplemotors.com, you can also get financing and shipping information, so definitely do that. If you enjoyed this channel, hit that subscribe button. We're getting ready to go for a test drive. You can locate that the last 30 seconds of this video, or just type in the YouTube search bar, the year, the model, and Maple Motors, and you can look up any of our cars. Good example would be type in 1952 3100 Maple Motors, and then 2 videos of this truck will pop up. Like I said, that's with any car on the lot. If you enjoyed the music I got at the beginning, top right hand corner, I produced all that. Check that out, join that page. We're gonna go for a test drive. Thank y'all for watching.